Today, we are capable of operating across the spectrum of naval operations. Keeping us combat ready are our repair yards, technical agencies and weapon depots. Our strength lies in our focus on safety and continual training in harbour and at sea. Binding the crew is their cohesiveness and camaraderie. The novel Agnipath scheme and rapid induction of modern platforms in the last 9 years have transformed us into a future-proof Navy. As we surge ahead, we pay tribute to the spirit of Swarajya through Op Demo 23. Come, see the action.